Good morning, dear students. Due to some technical error, I had to stop in between. So here's the second part of the same unit. So let's start where we left last. So we have discussed about endoplasmic reticulum, but I will revise again. Endoplasmic reticulum is an extensive network of extracellular membrane-bound tubes and vesicles that occupies most of the cytoplasm. It is formed of cisternae tubules and vesicles. Rough ER has ribosomes attached on it on the cytoplasmic sites. Smooth ER is without ribosome. ER performs a variety of important functions, including packaging of materials, detoxification, formation of organelles, and support, etc. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. On the basis of their size and sedimentation coefficient, they are of two types, that is 70S and 80S. Chemically, these consist of rRNA, that is ribosome RNA, okay, ribosome RNA, and proteins, and without a membrane around them. Golgi apparatus originates from RER that has lost its ribosomes. It is generally located at a specific site close to nuclear envelope. It is membrane-bound, fluid-filled central stack of parallel, flattened, curving, arced, intercommunicating cisternae and many peripheral tubules and vesicles. It plays important role in modifying, sorting, and packaging of materials coming from ER or synthesized in the Golgi itself. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles containing hydrolytic enzymes. They are called the societal bag of the cell as they can digest incoming food materials, remove the foreign bodies, toxic molecules, and debris, or act as recycling centers as they can break down worn out cells and cell organelles to component molecules for building new organelles and cells. Next, mitochondria are double membrane structures commonly called powerhouses or storage batteries of the cell. They are the main seat of cell respiration. They use molecular oxygen and bring out stepwise oxidation of food stuffs present in the cells to release energy, which is stored in high energy ATP molecules. Next is plastids. Plastids are the cytoplasmic organelles found in plant cells and in certain protists, but are absent in animal cells. Leucoplasts are colorless plastid found in cells not exposed to sunlight. Chromoplasts are colored plastid found in the cell that are exposed to sunlight. Chromoplasts having light absorbing chlorophyll pigments are called chloroplasts. They are commonly present in leaf cells of most higher plants and certain green algae. Chloroplasts are double membrane bound organelles having grana, that is stacks of thylakoids and stroma. Both are seat of photosynthesis. Vacuoles are small in size but more in number in animals. These are large sized but less numerous in fungi and plant cells. Vacuoles are storage sac for solid or liquid contents bounded by a unit membrane. In plant cells, large vacuoles are bounded by tonoplast and are filled with cell sap. The latter provides turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Cell inclusions are non-living materials present in the cytoplasm. So these are the topics which we have studied in this chapter, children. Now, whatever I have discussed till 16th May, that much only you have to study for your online exam. Clear? Since I have completed second chapter too, that's why I've given the revision of whole chapter. But whatever topics I have covered till 16th May, that much only you have to prepare for your online exam. So don't get confused. And revision I have already done for both the chapters, but please follow the main video. That is very important because the key component of the chapter is mentioned in a detailed way in all the videos. And follow your textbook too. If you have still any doubt, then you can message me in campus care for clarifying your doubt. So all the best for your online exam. And MCQ's question is going to come. I think you all have already got the information that less time will be there. So your preparation matters a lot, because if you will not be prepared, then you won't be able to attempt the question in a proper way. So it is very important that prepare yourself 100% and be ready, so that if once you see the question, you will be ready with the option, so that you can press and you can save the time. Clear? So thanks and happy learning.